I don't know the number, but what's the temperature that hair melts at? And I mean, I know it depends on how damaged it is, but
No, I mean, look,
majority of
on average, 392.
392.
392. That's why we're always talking about, less than
Why are our
400.
irons going up to 450?
And then we got irons going up to 450, But 450, those has its places. Those are, see, that's the problem. We're always talking about less than 400 degrees because nobody can remember 392. But when these irons are going up to 450 degrees, those are for very specific treatments. Those are for very specific situations. We're trying to use heat as a driver to compact some product into the cuticle, and we're using heat as the source to open up that cuticle to make it pliable, where we don't have oxidation in hair color, or we don't have different pre-treatments that we would use. Like in hair extensions, we clarify the hair, and
Right.
and by clarifying, shampooing the hair, we're in essence pre-softening the hair to slightly raise that cuticle, the chelation, to slightly raise that cuticle so our contacts can make, stronger.
So clean, dry hair would melt at 392, but when you put products on, you're buffering and the higher temperature isn't really getting through to that. So that's why we can use higher temperatures.